What's going on, guys? I'm over at PFI right now. Have the hatch right over here. I've been doing some work on that. Sorry for the lack of uploads recently. In the last video I said I was feeling better, but ever since then I didn't really get much better. My sinuses have been clogged and my voice has been raspy, so I just didn't really want to pull out the camera and force myself to talk. So sorry that I am not showing you guys the full process of getting this cage done in the hatch, but it is done. I've been busting ass on this thing the last couple days. It is a lot more work than I thought. And in the other video I was like, oh, we'll just knock this thing out tomorrow. No, it took me 3 or 4 more days to get this thing fully welded up, but it is ready to go. And yeah, I did go to the doctor today as well, so they said I probably have like a bacteria infection or something like that because I got a cold, and then that weakened my immune system and blah blah blah. I've just been sick forever, but I am actually feeling better now. I've been prescribed some like antibiotics, and yeah, so hopefully we can get some more uploads for you guys because we have been slacking this month for sure. But yeah, let me go over what we got going on with the hatch. All right, guys, so I don't remember where I left off on the cage in the last video, but it is all done right now. Some things I might add in the future are a parachute mount off of this back bar, but I don't need that just yet. I don't know if you guys have seen this part made yet, right here with these 2 D-bars. I did these 2 top ones, and then Sean helped me make these 2 right here because the fit up right up in there is kind of tough to get that angle, so he helped me with those. I just made these door bars yesterday and got them all welded in. But yeah, the cage is completely done, guys. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Once again, this is a 10-point roll cage. It is made completely out of chromoly tubing. The only thing that's not is the plates right here that go on the sides and on the floor. Those are just mild steel plates, and it is 1 5/8" chromoly tubing with a 0.083 or 0.83 wall thickness, I forgot. But it is following some certain rules that it has to follow to be certified. So all the chromoly joints have to be TIG welded, which they are. The only thing that can be MIG welded is these welds right here, because that is just steel to steel. Also, this harness bar right here has to be a certain height from your shoulders. It has to be like within 3 inches or something like that, which I sat in my chair and they measured it for me to make sure that this will be at the right height. And yeah, there's probably some other rules that I don't remember right now, but I did have to follow some rules in order to get this thing certified. And I'm gonna do that sometime probably this year. They have a guy come down and he just checks the cage out, measures all the tubing, looks over the welds, and once it's certified, the car will be able to go 850 in the quarter. Anything faster than that, then you have to redo the cage, but I don't plan on going faster than an 850 probably ever in this car. So that is plenty for me right now. And yeah, I'm glad we finally have a cage in the hatch. You like it?
I like it a lot.
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, it looks really, really good.
So what do I need to do to get it certified?
I would just wait till the certified guy is at Vandermeer. It's cheaper, because otherwise he charges you a drive-up fee, and you could just do a track day where you go and he'll
just do it,
sonic it and tag it.
And then if it passes, it's good to 850, right?
Yeah, 850. It'll pass. This will pass easy. Not even a hard challenge. Really, it's good.
Yeah, came out nice.
It's really nice. Really hugged up. Look, I mean, the sides barely can't fit a finger.
Oh yeah, she's tight.
Yeah. Kyle will be safe finally.
I don't have any harnesses yet though.
It's just gonna.
So right now it's a little less safe. Yeah.
I think you'll.
I'm down to turn it up.
You'll get more confident.
Let's turn her up.
Turn it up.
That trainee's on the way.
Take care of this fuel pump situation.
Get some more fuel for her.
Yeah. More fuel, more air, more power. It's just a big old air pump. Air in, air out. Make it rock.
Grabbing her prairie dog yourself.
Yeah, he grabbed a prairie dog.
Yeah, he had a prairie dog in his mouth.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Where'd he go? Oh, he's right there. He's right there. Look, he's up by the fence. Dude, he's eating the prairie dog. Bro. Look at this fox just munching on a prairie dog. I'm so close to him right now, too.
He's like burying it.
He's like digging up the dirt with his nose.
What's up?
Bro. Look at him.
See him?
I'm gonna get closer. I'm up on a car, so I'm okay. Oh, I've been spotted. Oh, there he goes.
This fox just legit buried the prairie dog right here. Oh, you can see his fur under the dirt. He's probably just saving it for later or something. I don't know. I'll leave it right there in case he wants his snack. He's just chilling back over there by the fence. There he goes. I may have just got the very end of it.
Alright. They both barely fit right here, but...
Oh yeah, the door panels, they fit good. It just barely touches. Yeah, it came out good.
It did, honestly.
Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. The cage isn't 100% done yet, like the outline of it is done, but I still want to do some plates right here and then use a dimple die, you know, to add the holes right here, and it'll give it a nice look. So we are going to wait on that, and the windshield is still out, but I want to try driving the car with no windshield just to experience it. What? So that's why I called Jeremy over here. You're going to ride with me. I'm going to let him have my helmet, and then I'm just going to drive with nothing and see how much force. No, you need the helmet so you can film and not be blinded. We have one helmet, it's in the back, it has the visor, so you can have that, and I'm just gonna see how fast we can take it before I can't stand it anymore. Dude, I think it'd be pretty funny. It's like on Top Gear when Jeremy did it in the aerial autumn, but at least he had goggles.
And then when you get to 80, it starts to come off.
Alright, so there's also no harnesses yet either, so we can't go that crazy with it. I mean, we do have a roll cage, but if we crash, we're still probably gonna die. Oh, this is the wrong key. What am I doing?
Oh God, you can smell it!
Oh yeah, also all the exhaust fumes are just gonna burn your face.
And also, you can feel the heat coming through. Yeah, those E85 fumes are just coming right into the car. I'm gonna tighten my hat down too. It's probably gonna fly off. Tighten her all the way down.
Put that thing on, man.
She's on there tight. It hurts my head. That's not gonna help me get better.
Nope. Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's not a good idea.
What?
It's not a good idea.
Yeah, not a good idea.
I don't think my eyes have ever been so dry.
I tried to warn you. What do you think about 40, 50s and the max, and then after Yeah, it's like
You should comb your hair like that every day.
It's actually not as bad as I thought. You can feel it. It's like really hot.
it's like a crazy blow dryer. That's all I gotta say. Oh my god.
Man, your hair is great, right?
Is it?
Both of you got great hair, dude.
Pretty sick.
That's not helping my, it's not helping my sickness either.
Yeah, probably not. No.
Dude, look how tight I had this. And it still came off.
We thought it flew out. But it, like, we were all right under
I
the
thought it flew out the window.
went under the seat.
Like, it was on there tight.
Did it fly off right away, or?
No, we're going pretty quick. And then
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
So cool.
Alright, so driving really fast without a windshield, it's not the best idea. I don't think my eyes have ever been that dried out, but it was pretty funny. It feels so crazy, and the exhaust fumes just like burn your eyes, and it's just really hot, just all that hot air coming in. But yeah, we'll get the windshield put on for sure. I just want to get those pieces made before that goes on, because obviously we have to get those welded on and then put the windshield on. But I think I am going to be taking her home tonight. Everything from this point forward I can finish up at home. There's no reason for me to be taking up space over here at PFI, so I'm just gonna put the helmet on and drive it home. And yeah, the roll cage is done. So now we just gotta get the harnesses, and I'm probably gonna get some different seats later on. And there's still some other things. Also for the 850 certification, I'm pretty sure I have to do a window net as well, so that's something else I'll have to weld in later on. But yeah, the basic outline of the cage is done, guys. So yeah.
Three, two, one.
Got a blast!
Well, there you go, guys. The hatch finally has a roll cage. Hopefully you guys can sleep better at night now, knowing that I am a little bit safer when I drive this thing around. Like I said, still needs the harnesses, and probably gonna get some aftermarket racing seats, some bucket seats, something that will help hold me in better. And yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope you guys like how it came out as well. And yeah, it's the first roll cage I ever did. Learned a lot doing it. Now I realize why they charge so much for these things, because there is a lot of time that goes into making one of those. So that was my first one ever. Obviously someone with some experience could do one a lot faster than I could, and probably do it better. But this one still came out great. It's really straight. I measured everything like 3 times before I made a weld, so I make sure everything is, you know, symmetrical and nice looking. And I'm really happy with how it came out, guys. Not sure if I want to put the carpet back in as well. I think I do, because it would cover up these floor plates nicely right here. And I kind of want to put the interior back together, at least from like here forward, just make it look factory again, because I do like having that nice clean factory look. But the back is probably going to stay gutted out. I do have the brackets still for the seats, and I could technically put the back seats in and just put a slit in them. I've seen people do that, but knowing me, I'm not going to mess with that. Probably just going to leave it like that, repaint the back, make it look nice. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm really happy with it. And some other things real quick. I did get some fan mail from you guys. We got some stuff sent over for the Odyssey, some more stickers to throw on the back, things like that. I also did get the racing gear that somebody sent a while back. I will show that in a future video. He sent me a helmet and like a full race jacket and pants. Hopefully we'll be able to use them this year. I'm just not sure if they're you know, up to standard with how fast my car will go. So we'll see, we'll get that stuff checked out. Kyle Loftus hooked it up with a 1320 banner right here. Thing's sweet, so thank you very much. He also gave me a beanie and some stickers. So thank you, Kyle. And yeah, that's really all I have to say for tonight, guys. There will be more coming soon, like I said. Sorry I've been sick these last couple weeks. We are gonna get back into it for sure. And yeah, we need to get this S14 going as well, so we can drive that thing around. I need to get the bumper put back on this thing. But yeah, I'm a little behind schedule. You know, I wanted to get some more done on this sooner. We do have a transmission on the way as well, so we are gonna be upgrading that. We might be turning her up a little bit, try to beat our previous times, so we'll see what happens there. But that's all I'm gonna say for right now. If you like the video, make sure you give it a like. It'll also help me get motivated to make some more videos, help me get over the sickness, and start pumping out some more content for you guys. But that's gonna be all for tonight, and as always, thank you for watching.